Okay, guys, that will not look like that in the future. I took the crankshaft out because I have to do the other engine half like we did that one there up. I don't think, did I show you guys this? Did I show you the finished product? It took me about a week to do that. Okay, let's turn some lights on over here. I'm working on the other half right now. See where the little, that's the oil drain. See, I put oil on, a little oil mark. You know, I have to find out what this is. I have no idea what the hell that is. But, yeah, we're working on this one right now. This is the other half. Now, I still got to do in here. I got to fill it in a little bit more. And, you know what, I'm going to diamond cut the manifold too, that little manifold right there. We're going to do that one. Let me show you what I decided to diamond cut the busa also. I bought this oil cap. It was a regular, this is billet aluminum. It didn't come with the diamond cuts or the engraving in it. So I engraved the busa insignia and I diamond cutted that. And we're going to buy a black billet aluminum grab bar without the diamond cuts, and I'm going to diamond cut it because they're less money when they come non-diamond cutted. And we're going to replace the spools with diamond cut spools. I'll make those. I did the, these are actually, I thought these were aluminum. These are actually nylon. So I actually had to paint those. I don't know, I might put sequins in them, or maybe I'll just find some aluminum ones. Yeah, I thought those were aluminum. Here they turned out to be nylon. But we did those. Those are aluminum. Anything aluminum I could do. Next, we're going to get covers for these. I'm going to see if I can take that off and diamond cut that. Then I might take this off, and we're going to diamond cut the dash too. And I might do something with the bezel. And in the future, see, this is also aluminum. I'm thinking of diamond cutting my swing arm also. So that's what we got going on, guys. Got that half done. And we're working on that guy over there now. And it's going to be a show bike when I'm done, guys. It's going to be a very, very extravagant motorcycle. And don't forget, we still have the front forks. Those are also aluminum. And stuff like these are aluminum. And let me see what else is on there. I'll see what I can do with some other stuff too. Okay, I'll catch y'all later.